Waking up in the morning to the bright sunshine, feel the cool breeze, everything feels so fine on this island where the waves crash along the shore.